So deportation is a scenario where a undocumented person, or as it's colloquially known, illegal alien, is captured by ICE, meaning that they are somehow coming into contact with USCIS and its immigration wing, ICE. They're detained, meaning that they are either formally locked up in a immigration jail if USCIS or ICE feels that they are a flight risk, meaning that they're going to run away. And in that scenario, what they're really being accused of is that they broke immigration law by illegally entering into the United States and then staying there without officially getting the proper immigration benefit. And the solution to that for them would be to apply for asylum as one proceeding if they are doing so within 1 year of their entry into the United States. And for if there's a scenario where they have, let's say, overstayed the asylum requirement, they're applying for asylum 2 years or 3 years after, then they can apply for a waiver of inadmissibility, which, if successfully approved, would grant them the ability to apply for asylum again. The elements of doing that are fairly complicated, but in essence, they have to prove to the government that they deserve to have an exception to the government's strong, hard rule of applying for asylum within 1 year. Typically, a good reason would be that I was an immigrant, I didn't know my rights, I can't speak English, I didn't successfully obtain legal counsel to tell me to apply within a year, or I was unable to because I was fleeing from persecution and I didn't have the opportunity. The reasons vary, and the acceptance of a reason or excuse is really upon the government. Deportation defense is the other solution, and that is when your lawyer argues in a CAT asylum case, Convention Against Torture, that should the undocumented immigrant be returned to their country of origin, they're going to face severe persecution, torture, and death. That requires a 50% evidentiary bar of proof, and once it's successfully proven, they can basically stay in the country. They're not citizens, but they won't be deported back to their home country unless they commit another crime. So it's like a safety net from deportation.